Welcome to TLE 8 Quarter 1 ICT. So today, we were going to discuss the computer number system with a computation or conversion between a binary to decimal and decimal to binary. First, binary it uses a base 10, the numeral system, which means it only employs two numbers, which is the 0 and 1. Think of the numbers like a light switch, 1 is on and 0 is off. Bit in binary number, a single binary digit is called a bit. Like for example, 10101 is a 5-bit binary number. The second one is 101 is a 3-bit binary number. And 10001 is a 6-bit binary number. First, how to convert binary to decimal. So here's the example. The given example is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and the base is 2. It consists 5-bit binary number. So second step, we are going to add 1. 1 plus 1 is equals 2. 2 plus 2 is equals 4. 4 plus 4 is equals 8. 8 plus 8 is equals 16. 16 plus 16 is equals 32. 32 plus 32 is equals 64 and so on. Next step, ibabox muna natin lahat ng 1 which is corresponds to on, like a switch. Kung tatandaan natin na ang switch, ang 1 is on, 0 is off. So lahat ng 1 na nakabox, sila lang po ang gagamitin natin. So ang 1, unang 1 na nakabox, ang number na nasa baba niya is 16. Plus, or we are going to add the second one na nakatapat sa kanya na number is 4. 16 plus 4. Next number natin na 1, ang natapat sa kanya is 1. So, 16 plus 4 plus 1 is equals to 21 base 10. So, bakit po base 10? Dahil po ang decimal, ang base niya ay 10, ang binary, ang base niya po ay 2. Here's another example. It consists a 8-bit binary number. So the second step we are going to do is add 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. 32 plus 32 is 64. And 64 plus 64 is 128. So since ang nag-i-start siya dito is 0, naka-off sila, pwede na natin silang i-eliminate. The second step is ibabox ko muna lahat ng 1 para hindi tayo malilito. Lahat ng nakabox na 1 is meron silang number na nakatapat sa kanila sa ibaba. So, ang unang 1, ang natapat sa kanya ay 32. The second one is 16. The third one is 4. The next one is 2. So, 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 2 is equals to 54 base 10. Okay po? Naiintindihan na po ba natin kung ano ang binary to decimal? Ngayon naman, ang gagawin natin ay how to convert decimal to binary. Ang decimal po natin ay meron siyang base 10. It consists 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Example. The given example is 75 base 10 convert to binary and the base is 2. So again, ilalagay po natin ang numbers na ginamit natin sa binary which is 1, 2, plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. 32 plus 32 is 64. And 64 is 128. So, pwede na po natin wag gamitin yung 128. Mag-start na po tayo sa 64 dahil 75 naman po yung number na ginagamit natin. So, ang second step, hahanapin natin dito sa number na to ano ang less or mas mababa sa number na 75. So 75 or 64 is less than 75. 75 minus 64 is equals to 11. Next one, ang number na hahanapin natin ang mababa sa number 11. Ito po ay number 8. 11 minus 8 is equals 3. And then, 3 minus 2, dahil ang mas mababa po ang 2 sa 3, ang equals po nun ay 1. So, since ang 1 is may kahintulad na number 1, 1 minus 1 is equals 0. So, ito po yung mga number na nagamit natin. 64, 8, 2, and 1. The next step, 64, 8, 2, and 1, silang po ngayon ang lahat ng number na naka-on at lalagyan natin sila ng number 1. Lahat ng hindi natin ginamit sa pag-subtract, ito ay gagawin nating 0. So the answer is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Another example po ay 85 base 10. At gagamitin na naman natin lahat ng number na 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128. So, ang given number natin is 85. Ang less than sa 85 na mas malapit ay 64. 85 minus 64 is 21. And 21 minus 16 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So, si 1, meron na siyang kamukhang number na 1. That is why 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So, ang nagamit natin na number is 64, 16, 1, 1. Lahat ng hindi natin nagamit na number ay lalagyan po natin ng 0. Therefore, ang ating sagot ay 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and hit the bell button.